Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the 9 essential research techniques you need to master for crypto investments as we head into 2025. I remember back in 2017 when I first started investing in crypto, there wasn't a lot of information out there. I made a ton of mistakes, most of which could have been avoided if I had just known then what I know now. That's why I'm so passionate about giving you guys the tools and knowledge you need to succeed in this space. Look, I get it. Crypto can be confusing. There's a lot of jargon, a lot of hype, and it seems like there's a new coin popping up every single day. But don't let that scare you away. Once you understand the fundamentals and, more importantly, how to do your own research, it becomes a lot less intimidating. In this video, I'm going to break down 9 key research techniques that I use myself, and that I believe every crypto investor should have in their arsenal. These techniques will help you separate the scams from the legit projects, identify potential investment opportunities, and most importantly, protect your hard-earned money. So whether you're just starting out in crypto or you're a seasoned investor, make sure you stick around for all 9 techniques because I guarantee you'll learn something new. First up is fundamental analysis. This is the cornerstone of any good investment strategy, whether it's stocks, real estate, or crypto. It's all about understanding the intrinsic value of an asset. In the crypto world, this means looking beyond the hype and digging into the actual technology, the team behind it, and the problem it's trying to solve. Ask yourself, does this project have a real-world use case? Is the team credible and experienced? Is the technology sound? These are just some of the questions you should be asking yourself. Remember, a strong foundation is essential for any lasting structure, and the same applies to your crypto investments. Next, we have technical analysis. Now, even if you're not a math whiz, don't tune out just yet. Technical analysis is simply the study of past price movements to try and predict future price action. It's about looking for patterns and trends in the charts that can give us clues about where the market might be headed. There are tons of different indicators and strategies you can use in technical analysis, but some of the basics include things like moving averages, support and resistance levels, and trading volume. Don't get overwhelmed though, start with the basics and gradually build your knowledge over time. Now let's talk about sentiment analysis. This one's all about understanding the mood of the market. Crypto is driven by hype, fear, and everything in between. Sentiment analysis is about tapping into that collective psychology and figuring out what the majority of investors are thinking and feeling. One way to do this is by following crypto news and social media. What are people saying about Bitcoin? Is there a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt, food going around, or are people feeling bullish? Tools like Google Trends can help you gauge sentiment by showing you how often certain keywords are being searched for. Moving on to on-chain analysis. This is where things get really interesting. On-chain analysis is all about looking at the raw data on the blockchain to understand what's really going on behind the scenes. Think of it like this. If the price of a crypto is the symptom, on-chain data is the diagnosis. You can see things like the number of active addresses, transaction volume, the amount of Bitcoin held on exchanges, and a whole lot more. This data can give you a much deeper understanding of a cryptocurrency's network activity and overall health. Now let's talk about something that's often overlooked but is absolutely crucial: regulatory research. The crypto landscape is constantly evolving and regulations are changing all the time. What's legal in one country might be banned in another. You need to stay on top of these changes because they can have a huge impact on the market. Pay attention to what regulators are saying about crypto both in your own country and globally. Are they cracking down? Are they becoming more crypto-friendly? Staying informed will help you avoid potential pitfalls and make more informed investment decisions. Next, we have project roadmaps. A project roadmap is essentially a timeline of a cryptocurrency's future plans and milestones. It's a way for the team to communicate their vision and show investors what they're working towards. A well-defined roadmap is crucial for evaluating a project's potential. Look for things like specific goals, deadlines, and updates on their progress. Beware of projects with vague or unrealistic roadmaps. Those are often red flags. Now, let's talk about competitor analysis. The crypto space is incredibly competitive, with new projects popping up all the time. It's not enough to just analyze one cryptocurrency in isolation. You need to understand how it stacks up against its rivals. What are its strengths and weaknesses? Does it have a unique selling proposition? Is it solving a problem better than its competitors? By comparing and contrasting different cryptocurrencies, you can get a better sense of which ones have the potential to succeed in the long run. Up next is community engagement. The crypto community is one of the most passionate and knowledgeable communities out there. Don't underestimate the power of tapping into that collective wisdom. Join Telegram groups, follow key influencers on Twitter, participate in online forums. By engaging with the community, you can learn from others, get insights into different projects, and stay up to date on the latest trends. Last but certainly not least, we have risk management. This is arguably the most important technique of all. Crypto is a highly volatile asset class, and it's important to go in with your eyes wide open. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Diversify your portfolio, use stop-loss orders, and have an exit strategy in place. Remember, it's not just about making profits, it's also about protecting what you've earned. Thanks for watching! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto investment tips. Look, I know that was a lot of information to take in, but mastering these 9 research techniques is absolutely essential if you want to succeed in the world of crypto. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the crypto space, that's truer than ever. Now get out there, do your research, and make smart investment decisions. See you in the next video.